Hello, what's up again, guys? So, today I'm going to be reviewing my old channel. This is so nostalgic, bro. This is my peak times of making CDT content. Look at that, 60 subscribers, dude. Now I only have 25. So, we're down to still 40 subs, but I mean, we can do it though. Ay, wait, I mean 35 subs. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. So, um, today we're going to be looking at these videos. So, what just happened? Okay, so look at that. This my first live stream drifting. It's really useless, but at least it got 23 views, and now I don't know why the hell I didn't put a title on this shit, but um 26 views. Okay. Dude, these were my old cars, man. 49 views. It also has the top fuel wrap on it. Credits. What is this? I do not remember it much.
This fuck. How am I gonna play with this map?
Um,
How am I going to play with
I don't know what just. Oh, ooh. Should you buy the new? Where's that spelling, man? Alright, alright.
video
Let's see,
today?
let's see.
We're going to review the new
Uh,
golden
Golden Murray. Dude, this is my old spec, man. Dude, it also has the old buttons. Oh my, yo! It literally has the old buttons, and it also has no trading. Yo, it has no trading, dude. So this when on the no trading era, or did I just film this when the trading got demonetized? I mean deleted, because in here my first video in this one is trading. Now I'm moving to this, so it's probably the trade ban. Okay, let's see this one. New. Oh, I don't know that. 14 subs giveaway. What is this? 14 subs giveaway. Dude, I was just giving away these to random people since I had no active fans joining me. Yeah, I'm just gonna give it away to random people. I just thought of that. Yeah. Oh, bro, there's so many pros. Flinging cars. Tell me if I should do part 2. What is this? Oh, me and Goku. Alright, alright. Me and Goku were flinging this raw socks. We're just messing around because we're kinda bored. Oh, yep, that failed. Um, it definitely took a very long while. Yo, look at that. It, so it took a long while to for Goku to fling me. Yep, it's not that hard actually, but like it's kinda hard because it's hard to aim. It's hard to aim that white car, which is the ra- radiation. Radiation. Oh, yep, it definitely flew. Yep, it's the radiator. Yeah, it's, I can't name it whole. This is the Audi, the new licensed Audi R8 5. Oh, this was my ending when my phone almost broke, dude, until it actually did. These inventories were like at the first on trading because people do not know how the system works. So I just got some of these cars, and those Fujis were from Kenori when like I don't know, dude. I do not remember much about it. Okay. Yep. Yep. These were all templates, but this it made me laugh, bro. Just look at what Goku commented. Yes. Bro, what the heck? Bro, it's kind of stupid. Not really, but I thought I just thought of it that it's stupid as hell. I don't know. But yeah, that's template. Dude, what is this? Oh, yep, that's. Oh, that's clean, dude. That's also clean. Alright. Yep, that's a fucking template. That's a fucking template. I didn't make a literal single edit in this channel, like my own, because my new channel,
Guy's Car Dealership Tycoon is
okay,
gone.
what's
Take a
this?
look. See, it's absolutely gone. Why, Foxy?
Yeah,
you have
dude,
so
I'm
many
gonna cuss
expensive
there.
thing there, and you will just remove our game like it's nothing. What the fuck
Oh,
is
yeah.
wrong with you, Foxy? If your game doesn't come back, fuck you. I'm already
Dude.
stressed about
Dude,
small
chill.
updates now.
What this fucking cringe? Yeah, this is shit. It's script. Oh, yep. Yep. What did? Yeah, it's there. It's there. Alright. That. Or yo, why the fuck is this floating? It's a template.
Guys,
Yep, this is my copycat. I used to get mad at this guy because of copying my channel. Look at that, look at that. Even my name, he just changed the W to letter V. Yeah, dude, I just changed the sound in that. Oh my, yo, what? Alright, that was 200k, 100. Oh, I remember these cars, dude. Yeah, yep. What the fuck is this, dude? Alright. I gave up selling it, but I actually sold it. What the fuck? Hard to sell. I mean, it's not that hard to sell right now. Shut the fuck up, bro. What's that? Oh, yeah. This is the Jesco Absolute Killer. But unfortunately, that brand is now removed, so you can't use it. 9.1 seconds. What the hell? This is when turbos were like, I don't know, still not removed. Race turbo, you know. A car collection. What's this? Yeah, that's all just the same freaking picture. That's a template. That's a template. I already seen. Yeah. This is fucking cringe. Yeah. Oh my god. It's so fucking cringe. Oh yeah. I'm the best. I just stole this poster one from another guy just to make a video about it. So yeah. Cringe as fuck. Um yet why the hell did I put spike tires on this? Top Fuel isn't that really fast anymore because some of the glitches that CDT has now. I mean by that. What really was my most viewed short in this channel? Let me just search it. Yeah, dude, this internet's cooking me right now. Alright. So we're gonna start off. Yo, it's so many. What the hell? Okay, 16. This was the outside of the trade hub, but now I cannot go out. Oh my god, bro. Oh, you. Dude, I remember this, man. Good thing I saved this thing, man. The good thing Foxy's. I videoed this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bro, what the hell? What really was my viewed the fuck? Alright, 1.2 thousand. 1.2 again. What am I doing here? Yeah, this what am I doing, but now it's just going to take. Holy shit. Why did Foxy move the container? Oh yeah, I remember this. I remember the old model on this car, dude. I miss it. I do not know what my most viewed short is, but I just think it's a 1.2 million. I mean 1.2 thousand. Oh, yeah, it's 1.2 thousand. Yeah, I just bought this like before. So, yeah, I was really dumb on this. Forget me for that. Anyways, that's it for this old channel. Hope the same one happens in the same as this, as the new one. I hope I get 60 subs in less than 2 months that this channel has did also. So make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this and updates. See you next time. Bye bye.